Hello dear students. I'm happy to meet you again. In this video, you will learn about different means of transport in English. So, I invite you to watch, listen, and repeat. This is a bicycle. You can also call it a bike. Bicycle, bike. This is a car. Car. This is a tram. Americans also call it street car. Tram, street car. This is a truck. It is also called a lorry in the UK. Truck, lorry. This vehicle is called a van. Van. This is a taxi. You can also call it a cab. Taxi, cab. This means of transport is a train. Train. This means of transport is called a plane. Also an aeroplane in British English. In the US it is also called an airplane. Plane, aeroplane, airplane. This is a helicopter. Helicopter. This is a balloon. Balloon. This is a boat. Boat. This is a ferry. You can also say ferry boat. Ferry, ferry boat. This means of transport is a camper van. Camper van. This is a carriage. Carriage. It is a fire engine. Fire engine. This is a bus. Bus. In the UK, the double-decker buses are more common. Double-decker bus. This is a ship. Ship. This is a motorcycle. You can also say motorbike. Motorcycle, motorbike. This means of transport is a scooter. Scooter. This is a submarine. Submarine. Finally, this is a rocket. Rocket.
If you liked the lesson, subscribe, activate the bell, click like and comment. Finally, share the video.